HTTP interceptor. HTTP interceptor in Angular is a spatial service that sits between the application and the backend. It intercepts all outgoing HTTP requests and incoming responses, allowing us to modify them globally. For example, I use interceptors to attach authentication tokens like JWTs to each request, handle global error responses, and show or hide loaders during API calls. Tactically, interceptors implement the HTTP interceptor interface and are provided using HTTP interceptors in the module. In one of my projects, I created a token interceptor that checked for a token in local storage and added into the request headers. I also had a separate error interceptors to catch HTTP errors like 401 or 500 globally and redirect users or show toast messages accordingly. The biggest advantage is that I can handle cross cutting concerns like authentication, logging, and error handling in one centralized place, making the code base much cleaner and scalable.